whistling again. Good morning. Monday. And I just realized that next Monday is the last working Monday in December and the last working Monday in this year. Next Monday, the 18th. Because 2 weeks from now it's gonna be Christmas Day. It's gonna be 25th of December. 25. December. Yeah. Then 3 weeks from now, it's gonna be a new fucking year already. And at this time, I'll go probably to sleep. I still have zero plans for New Year's Eve. So, I'll probably be home sweet home, perhaps. I mean, I don't feel like going anywhere. But hey, it can change. A lot can change. That's time. Yeah. Monday morning. Time to go to work. God knows I'm gonna end up working today. But I'm gonna try to make the best of it. Sorry for yawning. I don't know if me and my mom will go to a workout today. We'll see that. But I know I'm going to the aerobics class. That is something that I do know. Yeah, a car drove by the opposite way. People are going the other way. I don't know why. Maybe they just finished the job like an hour ago. They're on the way home. That's a possibility. They're going home to sleep. Something I want to do right now. Because I was doing gazillion things, and instead of going to sleep. And it was almost 11 when I went to sleep. And I woke up at 4:50. Oh yeah, about good 5 hours of sleep is behind me. No wonder I feel like crap. If I would be sleeping at least 6 or 7 hours a night, I would feel much better. Yeah. But hey, at least I had appetite yesterday. Considering I had zero appetite on Friday and Saturday. Yeah. Maybe today I'm gonna have more appetite. Who knows? Maybe I'm gonna eat more than I ate yesterday. Or maybe less. Yeah, there's something wrong with my stomach. He hates food. That's not good. La 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 la. Driving home and tired like hell. Yeah. Yeah. I'm driving home and yeah, I'm tired like hell. But hey, the good thing is I'm driving home. So yeah. Look, almost no snow here, thanks to the rain. Oh, and by the way, guys, the wind today is holy effing crap. It's like yesterday when I went to the choir practice. It's unbelievable. It's strong. It's whistling. So yeah. But it can't hurt me because I'm in the car, so I can't feel it. But I could felt it when I left the car at work. Damn, I thought that my door is gonna be blown away. It was that strong in the morning. And then it stopped for a little bit, and now it's strong again. So, and the rain is still drizzling, slowly and steadily, but still drizzling. Oh, and today's workout, I still don't know if I'm going to do both of them or just one of them or what. But anywhere I go, you're gonna know. I'm gonna tell you. You're gonna see. You're gonna hear me talk about it. Yeah. I know. I'm yawning. It's not polite. But hey, I only had one cappuccino today. And that cappuccino was at 6 o'clock in the morning. So don't judge me. It's more than 6 hours since my last shot of caffeine. There's not a lot of caffeine in that instant cappuccino, but it's enough. Unfortunately, I didn't have my second one, and ergo, I'm yawning like crazy. I'm sorry. And for you not to watch me how I yawn, there you have it. Green grass, no snow. Even though on Saturday we woke up in a white morning. Maybe there's more snow at home, and I'm gonna know that in 10 minutes, not sooner. In certain areas there is more snow than down the hill, but considering it's 8 degrees outside and it's raining, I'm kind of surprised that this much snow is actually left. So if it's gonna continue like that, tomorrow there's gonna be 0 snow, considering it was 34 centimeters on Saturday. Yeah, a lot for one night. If you think I look a little bit tired, that's the reason. That's why I am. After I ate lunch, I went to my room and I fell asleep. And my mom woke me up like 15 minutes ago if I'm gonna go to a workout with her. And I said, yeah, of course. But now I'm getting ready to go there, and then the aerobics class, and I gotta go to the toilet. And my mom's phone is ringing. So, see you after the workouts. Hi. As you can see, I'm lit differently today than I'm usually. The reason why? Because we have 0 electricity at home. As soon as we ended with aerobics class, it went out. The electricity went out, and yeah, I got home, I showered up. Now I can go to sleep. So see you in the morning. My computer died as well. It's super windy outside, and that's the reason why we don't have any electricity. So, see you in the morning. Guys, I'm stuck. I cannot get to work no matter which road I take. I'm already late, 20 minutes, missing work. I cannot reach the boss or anyone. I don't know what else to do. Why I cannot get anywhere? Because of the trees, fallen trees. everywhere. And now here is apparently an accident or something. And oh my god. This is not how I thought I'm gonna start this Tuesday. It's all standing, guys. And I don't know what's the reason, but I cannot get the principal, kindergarten's principal, or anyone. I did reach one of the co-workers that live exactly where I'm living. She's staying, she's from the same place as I am, and holy crap. Thank you, Mother Nature. I did get in touch with our principal, and now I'm waiting for her to call me back, because I'm back home actually at the certain crossroad, and yeah, she said she's gonna try to get to that kindergarten, and I'm waiting for another co-worker of mine, so we're gonna try to get there somehow together. I know it's a wishful thinking, but I'm in the car for 2 hours now. So yeah, I'm trying to get to work for 2 hours now. And unfortunately, it's still mission impossible. Maybe I'm gonna be getting there eventually. So yeah, maybe, who knows. Can you see the time? And yeah, I'm still on the road. I just found out that a certain road is gonna be closed till noon. Yeah, I still didn't receive any phone calls from my boss, but me and my coworker decided to stop at a certain bar where they do have the electricity to treat ourselves with coffee, and then we're gonna drive home. I mean, what else is there? The only thing is, no, we can't even go there because that part of the road is closed as well. I don't know how I'm gonna be getting to the German class today. The best thing for me is to call and cancel or something. I don't know. I mean, let's see what the day will bring. But yeah, an hour and 2 hours and a half in the car already. But thankfully, the gas station, a certain gas station, had electricity, and I was able to pump my car, so it's full. The tank is full, and I'm glad. Otherwise, I don't know what am I gonna do. I mean, I can get to Ljubljana a different way, but on the way back home it's gonna be terrifying if this is gonna continue like this. Yeah, so interesting morning. That is all the light that we have right now. Yeah, I'm back in my room. I did reach the bus, and I told her about the certain road that it's gonna be closed till noon, and all she said is, then stay at home, and she cancelled. I mean, that's not an attitude. Yeah, but me and my that co-worker went on a coffee, and we did reach a couple of other co-workers, and they're staying home as well. I mean, there's no way for any of us to get there. Today we were supposed to have grandpa, grandma, grandkids kids meeting. It's gonna be cancelled. So, ta-da! Mother Nature showed us what she's capable of. Is this creepy? So yeah, I still don't know how I'm gonna be able to get to my German class, but I'll let you know. That's the view that I have right now. A little bit more light on my face. I don't know if you can see me or not. But yeah, me and my dad went on a little drive, and I wanted to see the first 8 kilometers of my daily road, and it's unblocked right now. It's noon right now. It's super dark outside. But yeah, first 8 kilometers was blocked 6 times because of the fallen trees. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to work at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go about an hour. I'm gonna take about an hour-long drive all around just to get to my workplace. Because today I need to give one of my days off for not getting to work, for staying home. This is not the vacation I was hoping for. But hey, I have a vacation. The worst thing is, everything is dying on me. My phone is almost out of energy. Both of my computers are dead, like completely and totally dead. My Kindle is dead, so no power anywhere. Yes, I'm back in the car. Yes, I'm driving to my German class. And I'm going the long way, the one that I'm probably taking tomorrow morning. The clip you saw before, that's less than 500 meters away from my house. At my grandma's place, the roof on the barn was thrown down, half of it probably. So it was a crazy night. Oh, and by the way, we have electricity. It came around 1:30, something like that. So we were without electricity for about 18 hours. Yeah. And if anyone says I didn't try to get to work, I'm gonna shove something up their ass. Cause I mean, I was driving around for 3 fucking hours to get to work. Some of my coworkers did manage to get there, but they have like 4x4 wheel drives, and or maybe they have husbands that are not afraid to drive around and that are driving around with a saw, machine saw in their cars. So yeah, they've managed to get to work, but come on. I'm not a superwoman. If I were, I would be flying to work, not driving. Anyway, I'm going to Ljubljana the way that I'm probably taking tomorrow. On the way back home, I'm gonna try to go the way that I usually take. But if there are gonna be roadblocks everywhere, this is definitely the road I'm taking to work tomorrow. That's why I'm recording the time to see how much time it's gonna take me tomorrow to get there. So I'll know exactly at what time I need to leave work. Yeah. managed to clean the roads quite quickly, but still, Mother Nature did show us what she's capable of. And we have ourselves to thank too, because we don't look after her. I mean, I really do look after her, especially the trash and everything. I mean, don't mind the car. I need to drive to work. Look, I'm sorry. But trash-wise, yeah, I do look after that I don't throw away the trashes or anything. But some people, I mean, they're nasty. And when I say nasty, I mean nasty. Anyway, the rain has stopped, and if I'm gonna be lucky, it's not gonna be raining for the rest of the day, but there is gonna be rain tomorrow and snow possibly, and Thursday as well. Friday is definitely gonna be raining, so it's gonna be a fun week. And next week it's gonna be cold, so we might have snow and icy roads and all that. So I think I'm gonna camp at work for the next week. Okay guys, this is the road, the last road that I was able to go. And can you see all the trees down? And the fences, they're bended. Look. Damn, this is probably already the 11th. This is number 12. Number 13, where the road was closed. I mean, damn. I'm glad that none of the trees fell on my car. Holy crap. Holy Jesus. Please look after me on the way to Ljubljana. Hi. Ich habe mit meinem Deutschkurs für heute beenden. Und jetzt ich fahre nach Hause. Und I talked with my dad when I got to Ljubljana, and apparently the road that I usually take is clear, so I'll try to go that way. And we will see. Maybe I won't need to leave the house at 4:15 in the morning, but at 10 minutes till 5 to get to work. Perhaps. But yeah, this is a test drive back home, and if I get there, I'll try to make sure that I get to work tomorrow morning as well. I'm gonna use the same route if this one is gonna be clear, so I have my fingers crossed that everything will go as planned. Thankfully, I got a knock on the wood. There's no rain and no snow, but this is here in Ljubljana. I don't know exactly what kind of weather we have at home, but if it is like this, then I've won a jackpot. But anyway, I'm gonna get up at 4:15 in the morning. I'm gonna check the roads if there are any issues already known. If not, oh well, shit happens. But yeah, let's go home, and I want to thank you for sticking up with me, for understanding that today's clips are complete and total mess. And now you have seen what Mother Nature does to us. I mean, you already know what Mother Nature does to us, but now you know what she did specifically to me today, and I'm still stressing out because I've missed work day. And this is not something I'm proud of. I'm ashamed that something like this happened, and so bad, and I don't know what else to do. I mean, I'm giving one of my days off that I have for this, and for Christmas holidays I'm gonna be working all 3 days. Sorry, this is how it is. So, see ya in the morning on the way to work. Bye. Good morning. Yes, I'm already in the car. 5 minutes. And it's drizzling outside. Apparently it was supposed to be snowing already, but it's not. It's just started to drizzle. And yeah, this is my first attempt to get to work today. Let's hope it's the only attempt and I get there. Because if not, bollocks. I'm gonna be breaking a couple of rules. If not, if I don't get there the time I'm supposed to. Yeah. It's Wednesday, Mittwoch, middle of the week. And we'll see how the day will go. Sorry, gotta turned off the alarm. I'm already on my way home from work. Didn't log in because there was no electricity, but at least we had some power, so the heater was on and the main light was on as well, and a light in a toilet. So first half of the morning was very romantic. I had the portable light with me. I used that, and then I lit up a lot of candles, and it was so romantic in the morning. But yeah, I did got to work normally, like I usually am. We had actually the generator running, that's why we had warmth in there. Not a lot of kids were present, but enough. So I don't know when the electricity is coming, but by the end of the week it should be here. So next week we start our working week usual way. Yeah, Wednesday, that means only one thing: the aerobics class is today. And tomorrow is going to be a long day, because after work we have something else at work. So yeah, some show for kids, and we have to be there if we want those extra hours. Anyway, this guy called the snow is falling all morning, and it stops, and it starts again, and it stops, and it starts again. And the road, yeah, driving conditions are not good. Look at the amount of snow we have right now. Yeah. And I have aerobics class today. Maybe it's gonna be cancelled. Who knows? But anyway, I've got time. So, yeah, I'm home. I had lunch just now. I've cleaned everything after lunch, and I can go and take a nap like small kids does every time they have lunch. Yeah, that's it. Wednesday. Crazy weather. Well, aerobics class is done, and Wednesday is ending, and yeah, tomorrow is a Thursday. It's gonna be a long day because there's something after work related. Then it's Friday, and that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, I gotta prepare clothes tomorrow. I gotta prepare clothes for Friday's party, for the entire Sunday. Yeah, fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep, but first I gotta edit you guys, and I gotta start exporting the video before I fall asleep, so in the morning I can start uploading it on YouTube. I hope I didn't make any mistakes. And I have a favor to ask you. When you are gonna go for a nice walk in the area where you live, please take a glove and a bag, just a plastic bag or paper bag is better, and pick the trashes you find on the floor, because what's happening around the world with weather, it's a payback from Mother Nature, because we are destroying her. This is the only way she knows how to tell us. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and until next video.